So guys, in this video I'm going to actually tell you how we are going to fix the issue with the A71 camera. So if your camera is looking blurry for some reason, your camera is blurry, then I'm going to show you how you can fix that. Well, it is actually looking good here for mine, right? If it happens that you had played around with the settings and you had created some kind of issue by changing up the settings, it's an easy fix. You can go at the setting icon at the top, you scroll down, there's a lot of options here, then you reset the camera settings, and this should bring back your camera brand new when you now got your phone, or if you reset the phone itself. If you're still having problem with your camera, if it is looking blurry for whatever reason, then guys, you want to actually reset the app itself. So what you want to do, you want to head over to your settings and you want to go to, you're looking for apps, then you want to go to camera, then you want to go to storage, then you want to clear the data for the camera. So this will clear the data. And guys, if you happen that you have any other third-party apps on your phone, meaning third-party camera apps on your phone, you want to get rid of them, you want to clean them off, and then your camera should be working good. Again, you will see that it will look like when you just got your phone brand new. For the best camera settings, guys, you can look at the top, you can see 3.5. so what you want to do here to get the best possible photos, videos, you want to put your settings here. When you want to take pictures, you want to put this on 64 megapixel. That's the highest resolution that you'll get for pictures. And also you have some other options here as well that you can explore, right? Depending on the type of work that you're doing, you have all these options. You have portrait here. This will actually give you a blur. So if it happens that you have this, if you happen that you have something, you can see that there's a blur in the background, right? The images are blurred in the background. So if I click on that, you can see that we are seeing that more. But definitely this is a feature that we can utilize to blur whatever is in our background. We can also adjust that intensity of the blur as well. So that is to highlight your subject. So guys, when you return back, you also have Pro as well, right? So when you go to more, we have Pro as well. So as I'm stating, guys, you have a lot of different features in which you can use. All depends on what you're doing. You can adjust the ISO, so it all depends on the light that is in your room. And this is more of a professional stuff to get the best out of your camera. You also have the white balance as well, which is the light that your camera will adjust to take the picture at. So you can change the white balance as well. If you're in a dark room, you can take the ISO up. So guys, these are some things in which you can use to get the best out of your camera. I hope that this video was helpful. My name is Lens. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead, like, share, subscribe, and let me hear in the comment section below. Bye bye.